is your emotional intelligence skills in your business? Did you know that emotional intelligence skills are becoming more important than ever in the workplace? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways for improving your emotional intelligence at work and how it can bring you a lot more success in your business. Hi, my name is Serena, and I'm a professional coach and mentor. I've seen just how much one's emotional intelligence can help or hinder their business. Whether it's managing employees or demonstrating leadership, having emotional intelligence skills is essential. That's why in this video, I'm going to share 3 ways for you to improve your EQ, emotional intelligence, to get ahead and become even more successful and influential. Emotional intelligence is being able to empathize, to understand, and to connect with your employees or teammates, promoting a positive work environment. People with high emotional intelligence are more likely to effectively manage stress, navigate social complexities, and make thoughtful decisions. Here are 3 ways to improve. Number 1, practice self-awareness. Understand your emotions and how they affect your actions. Regular introspection can help you notice patterns and triggers in your emotional responses. So say for an example, you're in a team meeting and one of your employees presents an idea that you immediately dislike. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment to understand your emotional response. Why don't you like the idea? Is it because of the idea itself? Or is there another reason, such as a previous disagreement with this particular person? By understanding your emotions, you can respond more constructively. 2, improve emotional regulation. Learn to manage your emotions, especially in stressful situations. This can involve calming techniques such as deep breathing or mindfulness exercise, or even neurobiofeedback. Imagine you're working on a project that's not going as planned and you're feeling really stressed, really frustrated. Instead of lashing out at the team or employees or making hasty decisions, take a few moments to calm yourself down. Deep breathing exercises or a short mindfulness session can help you regain your composure and approach to the situation more rationally. 3, develop empathy. Try to understand others' perspectives and emotions. This can improve your relationships and make you a more effective communicator. So suppose one of your teammates has been performing poorly recently. Rather than criticizing them outright, try to understand their situation, putting yourself in their shoes. Are they going through a difficult time personally? Are they struggling with a particular aspect of the project? Understanding their perspective can help you provide supportive feedback and find a solution that works for everyone. Remember, emotional intelligence is not a fixed trait. It can be developed and improved over time with consistent effort and practice. And this is exactly what we help business owners with, to be able to increase their emotional intelligence and therefore be able to level up in their business. If you found any value in this, or you would like more tips on how to improve emotional intelligence for your leadership and your business, be sure to follow for more future videos. Until next time, have an amazing day.